guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. Today is Sunday, as you can tell by Edwin's shirt. He wears that shirt or that sweatshirt even when it's not Sunday, by the way. But anyway, we're on our way to my mother-in-law's to eat pupusas. I'll insert a little clip of her making them if you guys want to see how she makes them. It won't be from scratch like from the beginning, but it's pretty cool. We're about to get to my mother-in-law's. Once we're there, I'll go ahead and vlog some so you guys can see her making those pupusas.
Delicias. El chicharrón con queso. Gacha. Yo. Para que aprendan cómo se hacen las pupusas. Aquí.
¿Y tú le vas a enseñar cómo comerlas?
Sí, también. Y así se comen.
¿Cómo se come?
Así. A ver, enséñales, Vanessa.
Agarras un pedazo de pupusa y agarras cortito. De pollo. De pollo. Con salsa.
Pero digas que tienen que ándale, sí, mira.
Y va para adentro.
Y tiene que ser con la mano. No, nada de cuchara, tenedor y nada de eso, ¿verdad?
Ya.
Con la pura mano.
Y luego así, mira. Ya.
No, eso es al final.
Ya cuando termina.
Ya cuando termina, entonces.
Y luego una drink.
Oh, y una coquita. Helada, bien helada. Pero en el momento como no hay coquita, entonces con una agüita. Una agüita.
Nomás se agarra la masa, el chicharrón. Y ya después de ahí se envuelve así. Miren nomás.
Yo, I'm currently in a food coma. I got so sleepy. I ate like 4 pupusas and then we ate some choco flan. I'm dying right now. I'm so tired. But as you guys saw Edwin's clip on how to make or how I started my pupusas, if you guys want like a full tutorial on that, let me know. She might do it. We're gonna be here for a little bit and then I think we might do a little bit of shopping later. We're on our way to Target and we are trying to look for Star Wars Episode 3. We've been trying to get it, but we only find it in bundles and we're trying to watch that without getting the whole bundle because it's too much and we already watched a couple of the other ones. So, I mean, I watched Episode 3, but I just want to watch it again. We started watching like a Star Wars marathon, but yeah, anyway. So we're about to get to Target and see if we can find it. And
we can find our toys that remember we wanted and you said we can buy it next time?
Maybe.
I have some money and I can borrow. You can have some money of mine and I can give you a little money.
Okay.
In total, I have.
You have money. You're gonna let me borrow some?
Yeah.
You're gonna let me borrow money to buy you a toy?
No. You're gonna have.
She's gonna give you money and then you're gonna pay the rest.
No. Yeah.
Oh, okay. We'll see.
You have a little bit.
I got 50 cents.
Fun fact, you guys. This is the first job I ever had. Was at this Target. I was 16 and me and my homie. Oh, you guys, 16 and pregnant. Have you seen my video? You already know. This is the Target I used to work at where my homie G, that like we got pregnant at the same time or whatever. So if you haven't seen that video, I'm gonna link it up here somewhere, so go watch it. But yeah, I think after this, I kind of want to go to like Champs or Foot Locker because I want to take a look at the shoes. All right, let me see if I can take. I don't know if I'm gonna take my camera to Target, but we'll see. Yo, Target is coming up, man. Target. Their clothes here is so freaking cute. I'm not even gonna lie, but it's just as expensive as the mall. This is a cute top. Even the kids' clothing, like the little girls' clothing, is so freaking cute. Dude, this is so adorable. Like, wow, that's so pretty. I wonder if they have your size. They have a large. Just cause. Like, do that. This is so cute. What do you think? Wow.
Oh, sí se la queda.
You should. It's so pretty. But we need a medium, not a large. These are like Easter dresses. What are you doing to this dog?
Good boy, good boy. Treat.
This is your dog. What's his name? Isn't it like Bullseye or something?
This dog is my dog.
Oh, it is? Oh.
His name is Target Dog.
Oh, Target Dog. That's a good name. So cute. Okay, what did we come for again? Oh, the movie. Let's go.
And a toy, maybe. Look,
Huh? What?
We saw there's an other one and we couldn't buy it and they're out of it.
I'm sorry, Mommy. We'll get it next time.
Oh.
Oh, no. We gotta...
Next time.
Oh, we gotta go, guys. We gotta get out of this toy section immediately. Where did Alexander go? Son. So we're looking for episode 3. Probably has like Anakin in the front.
Están separated. También hay como otro allá.
Oh, the original. Oh, damn, this is the whole thing. $100? Son, I don't have $100 to spend on this.
Que sí, yo siempre lo cuido. No sé si me quiero agarrar un
¿Querías hijos, cabrón, eh?
Mami,
One more.
What? One more because you want this? Alex, you need to jump higher.
quiero jugar
Okay, let's go. Alright, my camera died, so now we're using
can
the
find it.
Edwin's phone. And he's currently eating
We need to find it.
still.
Sí, pero
So I don't think we're gonna go look for shoes just because I'm freaking exhausted. I'm so tired. So we're just gonna go home and watch a movie and call it a night. Call it a day, huh? Hey guys, so Adam and I took a nap and now we're about to play the game we bought at Target, Jumanji. He's setting it up right now.
Hello.
I'm interested to see how this is gonna work because I've never played this, obviously, and I don't know if it's been out for a while. Get a raft. So it's either this one or the hourglass.
Ready?
Right?
Okay, one.
This one, that's it.
Ready?
Set, go.
Go.
Oh, I already got it. Oh, no, it's not.
Raft, I think. I don't know.
Okay, that's it. So, did you cheat that I did?
No.
Okay. Okay, so everybody gets to move up 1 5 except for Alex, right?
Well, it was like that, but it was like a between.
Well, either way, mira, this would have been the other one. All right, so we finished playing the board game. It was really interesting. It was fun, but I think we just have to, you know, keep playing it. Obviously.
And Alex won.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he did win. Yeah, Alexander won, so he got a chocolate, and so did Delilah for trying.
Because I almost won.
She almost won. Anyway, so I'm just actually editing a video right now, and we're about to watch Jumanji. We decided to go ahead and watch the movie, and then we're just going to bed. So, good night.
Good night. Good night.